The future is now at SUNY Brockport, and you can be part of that future when you pursue a degree with us in physics. Physicists work to understand why and how things work, addressing questions ranging from how the efficiency of a solar panel can be improved to why the expansion of the universe is accelerating. Physics underlies and has applications in the pure sciences, from astronomy and earth sciences to chemistry and biology. It's also a part of the applied sciences such as engineering, optics, and materials science. As a student, you will study the properties of the universe and the fundamental properties and interactions of matter and energy. With state-of-the-art facilities, including a fully functioning digital planetarium that's even open to the public, you can be sure that regardless of what draws you to us, your ideas and aspirations will be supported. In addition to the planetarium, Brockport is home to the Magnetism Lab, Surface Science Lab, Astrophysics Computing Lab, and Observatory. Your experience in physics at Brockport will set you apart. Study distant quasars with the Hubble Space Telescope, the atomic structure of two-dimensional materials, high-energy X-ray astrophysics with the Chandra X-ray Observatory, or study magnetic properties for emerging technologies. How would you like to program a scale model of the Mars rover? Everything that scientists do with the actual rover, you can do too, such as going out into task areas and finding a pocket of oxygen. You will also have opportunities to work in cutting-edge research projects such as neuromorphic computing and X-ray astronomy. You can also learn about thin films, which is a miniature circuit. All of the technology we use today, including our computers and phones, use thin films and wouldn't exist without them. You can be a part of the emerging studies of magnetic nanoparticles, which is key in MRI contrast enhancement. What this means is that doctors can use nanoparticles during an MRI to better see cancerous spots as the nanoparticles are taken up by tumors. Nanotechnology is beginning to allow scientists, engineers, chemists, and physicians to work at the molecular and cellular levels to produce important advances in the life sciences and healthcare, from biotechnology to biomedical and engineering and the environment. Be a part of the next generation of computing with neuromorphic materials that mimics a biological neuron. You will work with professors top in their field. Many have won national awards, including awards and grants from NASA, U.S. Naval Research Laboratory, and the National Science Foundation. Get more hands-on experience with the Physics Club. You will do everything from learning the physics of toys and observing Saturn through a telescope to bringing physics to local elementary schools. You will take part in events surrounded by people who enjoy physics just like you. And if you aspire to teach high school physics, you can pursue an inclusive education degree. Learn the content and skills necessary to become an outstanding educator in physics and prepare yourself to teach in today's diverse classrooms. Our program stands apart because you will leave with an initial dual certification in teaching physics and special education. By the time you graduate, you will be prepared to take on the next stage of your life in secondary education. You can further your studies by going to graduate school for physics, astronomy, engineering, business law, or medicine, leading to jobs in higher education or government research. Upon graduation, you can get a job as an engineer. Whatever your dreams, whatever your aspirations, you can achieve them with a physics degree from SUNY Brockport. Learn more at brockport.edu/academics/physics or call us at 585-395-2182.